As the focal point of the Nairobi Convention, I encourage the establishment of the WIOMPAN. One of the specificities of the marine area is the connectivity. So this network will break isolation and connect the technicians from different regions to share experiences and to peer learning. Such initiative is highly important for Madagascar. Sydney promise of tripling the extent of marine protected areas, and very interesting for harnessing the MPA outlook developed under the WIOSA project within the Nairobi Convention framework.
My name is Vivian Achoga. I'm the Assistant Director in charge of the Coast Region. I work for Kenya Wildlife Service, and in the Coast Region I manage 6 marine protected areas, and there are over 2,000 practitioners in this area, and these include the state-run marine protected areas and also community conserved areas. And with the network, we will be able to share ideas, we'll be able to share experiences and also benchmark with one another so that we have a healthy and well-conserved marine life.
Hi, I am Alan from the Seychelles. I wish to congratulate WIOMPAN for a successful launching of its website today. This will surely enhance the communication and networking between all the MPAs within the Western Indian Ocean. And on this Ocean Day with them life and livelihood, our protected area are crucial in this sector, and we will ensure that we keep on doing the protection so that we can continue to support the livelihood of the people living within the MPA boundaries and coastal areas. Thank you.
Our oceans today are facing unprecedented challenges than ever before. Overfishing, habitat destruction from the use of destructive fishing gears, marine pollution and climate change are major threats facing our oceans today. However, our oceans have extraordinary capacity to regenerate or recover if well protected. One of the most effective tools for the ocean conservation is creating marine protected areas. Marine protected areas are areas of the seas and oceans that has been set aside by or through legal means or any other effective means in order to restrict or limit a negative impact of human activity. So the launching of Western Indian Ocean Marine Protected Areas Network is a great idea and a great platform where it will bring together marine protected areas managers, community scientists and all other stakeholders to share ideas, experiences, challenges, knowledge, information in order to improve management of the marine protected area. So I call upon all my colleagues within Western Indian Ocean MPA's manager to use this platform very effectively in order to improve the management of our marine protected area in Western Indian Ocean and beyond, so as to contribute toward conserving the ocean. Thank you very much. My name is Amin Abdallah. I am acting warden of Mafia Marine Park, Tanzania. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.